Hi, I'm Whitney,
And I'm Greg.
and we are here to walk you through our family history template. When we first decided to make a family history book, we searched high and low for a cool, easy template that we could use to easily make a book.
But the problem we were running into was that nothing was really our style. Everything looked a little too old timey for us.
So we just decided to hop on Canva and make our own. When we printed it off and gave it to family members and we had friends that saw it, people wanted help and wanted to know how we did it. So we decided to just make an easy template that you could use to drag and drop and make your own family history book. I will now show you the book I'm currently working on. I am 95% finished with it. It is My Husband's Family. Starts off with a cover page where you customize it with the individual names of the fan charts. And then the cover page for the book, this book is for my in-laws, so it's both sides of their family history. And before every couple, I put in a family tree, so you know who we're talking about. So the next 2 pages will be these guys that go here and here, and then I have their love story and how they met also here and here. And then I added just a page of older pictures of them, that's optional. And then I start in on my mother-in-law's side, and she is a Burton. So we go through her entire family history of the Burtons here. And so again, we add this is my mother-in-law. We go up to her parents. So this is actually goes here. This will be the people that we are talking about next on the next 2 pages. There and there. And then after that, I have another page of photos. And then I go on to the next family tree. So we know who we're talking about. So we're going up the side and I've got them circled so we know who will be shown. And there's different layouts. If you have less information, you can add more pictures. If you have more information, you can make this box a little bit bigger. And it just goes all the way through their family history. And so I only included in the book people who had stories that were available. So if they didn't have a story, I didn't include them in the book, obviously. So both sides of the family go back pretty far with quite a few awesome stories. And then we will get to the end of the book here. The Johnson side is my father-in-law's side, and we do the exact same thing over here. And then towards the end of the book, after we get through all of the stories about everyone, I have additional photos and stories. So I just added some extra family photos. And then my in laws have 4 kids. So I added a page for each family. So I wanted all of the grandkids to have pictures in this book. And I just added a page for all of the family members that included every grandchild. And then at the end, I included my in laws with a quote on family history and then some ending credits on me making the book. And then this is the back cover. And I just added a bunch of quotes throughout the book that I found on family history. Obviously, these are editable. So if you want to add your own, you can. And that is what the final book looks like.